Welcome! In this video, we will cover how a technician would finish a visit out in the field using the Field Central Field app. Knowing how to mark a visit as finished, either complete or incomplete, is just as important as knowing how to start a visit to ensure accurate records and service. If you haven't already done so, be sure to review the resources covering the setup, start of the day and dispatching, and on-site. When the technician is ready to finish a visit, they will tap Time Out. The technician will be asked to verify if the visit has been completed or if it is still incomplete. If the technician selects Complete, this communicates that the job is finished and the customer is ready to be billed for the work. The technician will be provided a final opportunity to add remarks and be asked to complete any assessments necessary before finalizing that the visit has been completed. If the technician selects Incomplete, this communicates that the job is not done and will need to come back another day to finish. For this video, we will show the exception case, which is incomplete. When the technician taps that the visit is incomplete, they will be directed to provide a reason for the incomplete job. In addition, they will be provided with one last opportunity to provide or edit remarks. Canned remarks is still available for both text boxes in this stage. If the company requires a technician's signature, one will need to be provided here. Once ready to proceed, the user will click Done. If an assessment has been tied to this visit, the assessment will be triggered at this point for the technician to answer some questions regarding the property or visit. The technician will then web sync in order to send all updates back to the office. Now that the visit has been finished, the technician is ready to tap on their next job and begin the process again. Ready to give it a go? Download the Field Central Field app and start using in the field today.